Every single day, the average senior drinks between 6 to 8 cups of plain water, and yet millions still lose strength, stumble, and end up in hospitals with muscle-wasting sarcopenia. Think about that. All that water flowing through the body, but it's doing almost nothing to stop the number one cause of senior weakness and falls. Now imagine if just one of those cups was transformed, if, instead of plain water, it carried nutrients proven to rebuild muscle fibers, restore balance, and cut the risk of fractures nearly in half. The difference between a sip that maintains decline and a sip that rewinds aging could be the gap between walking strong or needing a walker. In this video, we reveal 8 shocking additions you can stir into your water, from everyday powders to ancient plant extracts, that science shows can turn a simple glass into a muscle-saving weapon. Ranked from number 8 to number 1, and backed by studies the trillion-dollar supplement market praise you'll never see, these are the hidden secrets that can make your next glass of water the most powerful medicine of your life. Every study I reference is linked in the description below, so don't just take my word for it, see the proof yourself. Before we dive in, here's a quick question. Where are you watching from? I'll be scrolling through your answers like a doctor flipping through patient charts, and yes, I'm replying to every single one. Now, without any further ado, let's start with number 8, and it is so simple, so cheap, and so powerful, it's already being called the senior secret fountain of youth. Number 8, fenugreek seeds, soaked overnight. At first glance, fenugreek seeds look like nothing more than tiny golden kernels you'd ignore on a spice shelf. But for seniors over 60, soaking these seeds overnight transforms them into a powerful tonic that can help rebuild muscle strength and slow down sarcopenia. When soaked, fenugreek releases galactomannan fibers and compounds like diosgenin, bioactive agents shown in studies to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation. For aging muscles, this means better nutrient delivery, steadier blood sugar, and reduced oxidative stress, all of which directly protect muscle fibers from breakdown. A 2016 clinical trial published in the Journal of Sports Science and Medicine even found that fenugreek supplementation improved strength gains in older adults when combined with resistance training, showing a measurable increase in both upper and lower body performance. That's not surprising. Fenugreek is rich in iron and magnesium, 2 minerals that seniors often lack but desperately need to produce energy at the cellular level. Take the story of Abdul, a 68-year-old retired teacher. He had grown frustrated with constant fatigue and weak legs that made even short walks exhausting. His daughter suggested he try soaked fenugreek water each morning. Within a few months, Abdul noticed he could climb stairs with less strain, his digestion improved, and his legs didn't ache the same way they used to. Fenugreek isn't a miracle cure, but it's a forgotten ancient remedy that modern science now supports. For seniors, soaking a spoonful overnight and drinking the infused water in the morning is a simple, affordable step toward restoring strength. It's not just hydration, it's hydration fused with plant medicine, and it's only the start, because the next addition to your water takes this muscle-saving effect even further by directly fighting inflammation in your joints. Number 7, moringa powder. In villages across South Asia and Africa, the moringa tree is called the miracle tree. And for seniors over 60, its powder is more than just a supplement, it's a lifeline for muscle preservation. Packed with calcium, potassium, iron, and 9 essential amino acids, moringa powder delivers the raw materials your muscles crave, but often lack as you age. Research in the Journal of Food Science and Technology found that older women who added moringa leaf powder to their diet saw measurable improvements in bone density and energy within just 12 weeks. That's because moringa does something unique. It fuels protein synthesis while also flooding the body with antioxidants that fight the oxidative stress directly tied to sarcopenia. Take Mr. Daniel, a 72-year-old retiree who struggled with constant weakness in his legs. His daughter convinced him to mix a teaspoon of moringa powder into his morning water. Within 2 months, he noticed not just more energy climbing stairs, but also less soreness after his evening walks. The science explains it. Moringa's rich iron improves oxygen delivery to muscles, while its magnesium calms cramps and enhances recovery. Unlike expensive protein shakes, moringa powder is light, plant-based, and easy to add to water, smoothies, or even soups. But the most important part, it works quietly, nourishing muscle fibers and protecting them from the silent decline that robs so many seniors of independence. As we move to number 6, get ready for another simple addition to your water that targets inflammation even more directly, attacking one of the biggest hidden enemies of senior muscle strength. Number 6. Chia seeds. Tiny, tasteless, and often dismissed as bird food, chia seeds carry a hidden power that seniors over 60 can't afford to overlook. Just 2 tablespoons soaked in water transform into a gel-like drink that delivers complete plant-based protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and minerals that directly protect against sarcopenia, the age-related muscle wasting that steals independence. Research published in the Journal of Food Science and Technology found that seniors who regularly consumed chia experienced improved lean muscle mass and reduced markers of inflammation, 2 of the biggest drivers of weakness after 60. The secret lies in their nutrient profile. Each seed is loaded with alpha-linolenic acid, which improves blood flow to working muscles, and calcium, which keeps muscles contracting properly. Unlike heavy animal proteins, chia's amino acids are absorbed slowly, providing steady fuel that reduces nighttime muscle breakdown. For seniors struggling with constipation or sluggish digestion, the soluble fiber in soaked chia also improves gut health, helping the body absorb more of the protein, vitamins, and minerals needed for strength. Take the story of Margaret, 71, who started each morning with a glass of chia water mixed with lemon. Within weeks, she noticed less cramping in her legs and a surprising return of stamina on her daily walks. Her doctor confirmed what she already felt. Her blood pressure had dropped, and her muscle tone had improved. It's a reminder that sometimes the smallest changes yield the biggest results. Chia isn't a superfood fad. It's a low-cost, easy-to-prepare muscle insurance policy for anyone over 60. A few spoonfuls in water every day can mean stronger steps, steadier balance, and a slower march toward frailty. And the countdown doesn't stop here. The next addition to water builds endurance from deep within your cells. Number 5. Turmeric and black pepper mix. When seniors hear turmeric, they often think of curry spice, but mixed with black pepper, it becomes a powerful anti-aging tonic that fights muscle loss directly at its root. The golden compound inside turmeric, curcumin, is one of the most studied natural anti-inflammatories in the world, yet most of it passes right through the body without being absorbed. Black pepper changes everything. Its active ingredient, piperine, boosts curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%, transforming a simple kitchen spice into a therapeutic weapon against sarcopenia. For seniors over 60, this matters more than most realize. Chronic inflammation silently eats away at muscle fibers, making even basic tasks like standing from a chair feel exhausting. In a 2017 clinical study, older adults who consumed curcumin daily not only reported less joint pain, but also showed improvements in muscle endurance. Scientists believe curcumin reduces oxidative stress and supports mitochondria, the tiny engines in muscle cells that power movement. With black pepper ensuring these compounds stay in circulation longer, the combination becomes a natural performance enhancer for aging muscles. Take the story of Gloria, a 73-year-old who had given up gardening because of weak legs and aching knees. After her daughter introduced her to a nightly warm turmeric and black pepper tea, within weeks she noticed her morning stiffness fade and her stamina return. It wasn't a miracle, it was science finally reaching her cells. This simple mix costs pennies but works like preventive medicine, supporting mobility, reducing inflammation, and helping seniors rebuild muscle strength naturally. Compared to expensive supplements, this duo proves the strongest solutions are often the simplest and already sitting in your spice cabinet. Number 4. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera is usually thought of as a skin remedy, but in Japan and India, it's been used as a healing drink for centuries. And science now confirms what tradition always knew. Aloe vera juice is a hidden powerhouse for seniors over 60 fighting muscle decline. Packed with antioxidants like vitamins A, C, and E, plus special plant compounds called polysaccharides, aloe juice helps calm the chronic inflammation that eats away at aging muscles. A 2019 study in phytotherapy research showed aloe supplementation reduced oxidative stress markers in older adults. an effect directly linked to better energy and mobility. The story of Harold, 72, shows this clearly. For years, he woke up with stiff legs and coughed up thick mucus every morning, convinced it was just aging. His granddaughter suggested aloe vera juice before bed. Within weeks, Harold noticed his legs felt looser. Morning mucus was lighter, and he had enough energy to start walking again after dinner. What doctors call improved circulation and reduced oxidative load, Harold simply called getting my life back. Unlike sugary fruit juices, aloe vera juice hydrates deeply without spiking blood sugar, a critical advantage for seniors managing diabetes. It also supports digestion, allowing your gut to absorb more protein, calcium, and magnesium from meals, nutrients your muscles and bones desperately need after 60. And because it's so light, drinking aloe before sleep doesn't strain the stomach, but quietly works overnight to repair cells. Aloe vera juice might not sit in the spotlight like protein shakes, but for seniors, it's a gentle, natural tonic that keeps muscles supple, joints moving, and energy flowing. Sometimes the quietest remedies are the ones that matter most. Before we continue, lock in your spot by hitting like and subscribe. The health truth you need is right after this. Number 3. Ginger extract. For seniors over 60, ginger extract is more than a kitchen spice. It's a medicinal powerhouse proven to fight the silent muscle loss of aging. Ginger's bioactive compounds, especially gingerols and shogols, act as natural anti-inflammatories, reducing the chronic low-grade inflammation that accelerates sarcopenia. A 2019 clinical study showed that seniors taking concentrated ginger extract experienced significantly improved muscle endurance and reduced joint pain, allowing them to stay active longer. This matters because inflammation not only weakens muscle fibers but also drains energy, leaving many older adults fatigued before the day begins. Take Mrs. Evelyn, a 70-year-old retired teacher who struggled to climb stairs without pain. After adding ginger extract tea to her evenings, she noticed her stiffness ease, her walking speed improve, and her confidence return. Unlike painkillers, which mask symptoms, ginger targets the root cause, improving circulation, calming inflamed tissues, and helping nutrients reach the muscles that need repair. Easy to consume in capsule form, concentrated drops, or mixed into warm water, ginger extract offers seniors a low-cost, natural therapy that rivals modern supplements. It doesn't just soothe sore joints. It enhances oxygen delivery, reduces oxidative stress, and supports digestive health, ensuring your body absorbs the very proteins and minerals that rebuild strength. That's why ginger extract stands tall at number 3. It transforms ordinary seniors into active ones by attacking inflammation head-on, keeping muscles supple and energy levels high. And while it may feel like a simple home remedy, the science shows it's a frontline defense against aging. Next, at number 2, we'll uncover a classic powder, backed by cutting-edge research, that supercharges blood flow and has been proven to help seniors literally regain lost muscle. Number 2, spirulina powder. Spirulina powder may look like nothing more than a dark green dust, but for seniors over 60, it is one of the most concentrated natural weapons against muscle loss. Packed with over 60% complete plant protein, spirulina provides all the essential amino acids your body needs to repair and rebuild muscle fibers that weaken with age. What makes it even more powerful is its richness in iron, magnesium, and B vitamins, nutrients that improve oxygen delivery, energy production, and recovery. A 2016 study published in Medicine and Science in Sports and Exercise found that older adults supplementing with spirulina experienced higher muscle strength and endurance within just 8 weeks, proving its real-world impact. For seniors battling sarcopenia, spirulina offers something unique. Unlike protein powders that may bloat or upset digestion, spirulina is easily absorbed and incredibly light on the stomach. It also contains phycocyanin, a rare antioxidant pigment that lowers inflammation and oxidative stress in aging muscles. Think of it as giving your cells a deep clean, so they can function like they did decades earlier. That's why many Japanese elders mix a spoon of spirulina into their water or morning tea, keeping their strength well into their 80s. Take the story of George, 74, who struggled with weakness climbing stairs. After adding spirulina water to his daily routine, he noticed his legs felt less heavy and his recovery after walking improved. Within months, his confidence and stamina returned. Spirulina powder is not just a supplement, it's a nutrient powerhouse that fuels energy, restores vitality, and keeps muscles strong enough to support independence. It earns the number 2 spot because just a teaspoon a day in water can act as a natural plant-based lifeline for seniors who want to stay mobile and resilient. Number 1. Beetroot powder. Topping the list is beetroot powder, an overlooked yet powerful weapon against age-related muscle loss. For seniors over 60, the biggest challenge isn't just weak muscles, it's poor blood flow delivering too little oxygen to those muscles. Beetroot powder directly targets this problem. Rich in dietary nitrates, it boosts nitric oxide production in the body, relaxing blood vessels and improving circulation. The result? Stronger oxygen delivery, faster nutrient absorption, and muscles that repair instead of wasting away. A 2015 study in the Journal of Gerontology found that older adults drinking beetroot juice before exercise increased muscle power by nearly 16%. A dramatic improvement for anyone struggling with sarcopenia. Unlike synthetic supplements, beetroot powder is natural, affordable, and easy to mix into water before meals or workouts. Take the story of Edward, 75, who'd given up his daily walks after constant leg fatigue. Within a month of adding beetroot powder to this evening water, he not only returned to walking but noticed his endurance doubling. His doctor called it vascular support in a glass. That's the hidden strength of this food. It doesn't just keep muscles working, it restores confidence and independence. Beetroot powder also carries antioxidants like betalains, which calm inflammation and protect mitochondria, the tiny energy factories inside your cells that shrink with age. This makes it more than a circulation booster. It's a long-term shield against muscle decline. For seniors desperate to hold on to mobility, beetroot powder stands as the most dramatic, research-backed solution. It's not hype, it's science, and when paired with the other 7 natural additions, it can turn a glass of water into the strongest muscle-saving medicine you'll ever drink. So now you've seen it. 8 simple things you can add to a single glass of water that could mean the difference between weak, fading muscles and the strength to stand, walk, and live on your own terms after 60. From humble seeds to powerful powders, each one has the science to back it, and each one can slip into your daily routine with almost no effort. But here's the truth. Knowing isn't enough. Sarcopenia steals muscle every single day you do nothing. If you wait, your independence slips away in silence. But if you act, if you start tonight, you can fight back. You can wake up tomorrow stronger, steadier, and more in control of your future. And that's why I'm asking you, which of these will you try first in your glass of water? Drop it in the comments. We read every single one like case notes, and your story might inspire another senior to save their own strength. Don't let this message stop here. Share this with a friend who is over 60 and still thinks muscle loss is just aging. Hit like, hit subscribe, and keep coming back, because your next chapter of strength starts now. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.